Take a comfortable position. You can be seated upright with your feet flat on the floor, or lying down if that feels supportive. Let your shoulders soften. Unclench your jaw. Allow your tongue to rest gently at the roof of your mouth. Bring your attention to the area of your heart, right in the center of your chest. You can place one hand or both hands over your heart if that feels good. Just notice the warmth of your hands, the gentle pressure, the feedback. Now, imagine your breath is flowing in and out of your chest area, out of your heart, as if the air is entering directly through the center of your chest and leaving from that same space. Begin to slow your breath slightly. Inhale for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep this rhythm or adjust it to what feels natural. This should feel calming, never forced, never strained.